Let's look at this. We are asked to find the YDS of y equals to 1 over s square root of x. Okay? Let's work on this. These are the options. Okay? You can pause the video, work on it, then we compare our results. Now, I'm going to push this to the side. Let's start working. The first is y is equal to 1 over x this. First thing is, if you don't put this in index format, it will be difficult for you to solve. You have to first of all settle that with yourself. So therefore, let's look at our knowledge of indices. The first thing we need to do now, this is 1 over. What is the meaning of this? This simply means s raised to power 1. Here there is multiplication between them. Okay? So, what is the meaning of this? This simply means what? Raised to power 1 over 2. Okay? So we can rewrite this as s raised to power 1 over 2. After you have done this now, this and this have the same base. Because they have the same base, we say s, one of them, we take one of them, then we add the index. That is to say 1 plus 1 over 2. That is 3 over 2, which you can write as over 1. SCM is this, 2 plus 1 equals to 3 over 2. Okay? So this is done. We have to rewrite this now as 1 over s raised to power 3 over 2. Remember, all this one, there are y here. So let's put the y here. Okay? So the next thing we need to do now is, what is the meaning of this? This simply means inverse, which is raised to power minus. That is s raised to power minus 3 over 2. So this is now being represented by this. Okay? So now that we have done this now, we cannot introduce the YDS because now the cause is clear. We can see clearly. What is that? If you apply the general rule, it says this guy need to come down. Why is he coming down? As he said, my neck is paining me. I'm tired of carrying minus 3 over 2. So, okay, no problem. Minus 3 over 2, you need to come down. But we are saying, S, you cannot just stay without carrying anybody because you are Mr. Carrier. You are meant to carry something. What should I carry? We are going to assist you because you were complaining before. We're going to reduce this one by 1. That is to say, minus 3 over 2 will reduce by 1. Then whatever we have, we put it on you. You say, no problem. Then we go ahead and say, over 1, this is 2, minus 3, minus 2, which is minus 5 over 2.